My name is Dondi Dahlin. I'm Donna Eden's daughter, and this is your Wednesday Energy Minute. Adrenal fatigue has been called the stress illness of the 21st century. Your adrenals are walnut-sized glands that sit on top of your kidneys. They produce hormones to help you deal with stress. However, when you've been under too much stress or you've experienced a trauma, they can go into overwhelm and you can experience intense pain and incredible fatigue. So you feel like a walking zombie. Let's help your adrenals. Find your belly button, go 1 inch up, 1 inch out with both hands and rub. Massage deeply. If it hurts, you need it. You want to massage deeply because this is going to send a boost to your adrenals to help you get through your daily life. From one of 5 suspension bridges in San Diego, California. Until next week, bye-bye.